Hello and welcome to another video. Without using calculator, let's calculate the value of a. Okay, now the first thing we need to do is to observe the patterns in the denominator because this is a no calculator question. Okay, now it will be observed that if we follow the patterns in the denominator, we can rewrite this to be a equals to 1 over 1 multiplied by 3 plus 1 over 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1 over 5 multiplied by 7 plus 1 over 7 multiplied by 9 plus 1 over 9 multiplied by 11, then plus 1 over 11 multiplied by 13. So which means the denominator, okay, can be expressed as a product of two positive odd integers because these are that's odd integers. 1 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 7, 7 multiplied by 9, 9 multiplied by 11, 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13. So and that will be, this will be 143, 99, 63, 35, 15, then 3. So which means that, okay, we can write a general rule for this, for this pattern, okay, because the numerator for each fraction is 1. So which means we can express this as, take for instance, for 1 over 3, 1 over 3 will be equals to 1 over 2, okay, 1 over 2, parentheses 1 minus 1 over 3, okay. Then for 1 over 15, 1 over 15 will be 1 over 2, parentheses 1 over 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5, okay. Then for 1 over 35, okay, 1 over 35 will be 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 5 minus 1 over 7. Then also for 1 over 63, that will be equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 7 minus 1 over 9. Then for 1 over 99, this can be expressed as a product of 1/2 parentheses 1 over 9 minus 1 over 11. Okay, then the last one is 1 over 143, which will be 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 11 minus 1 over 13. Now, we can see from here that if we multiply 3 multiplied by 1 minus 1, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 3 minus 1, that will be 2. So 2 over 3, then we get 1 over 3. Now for this one, 5 times 1, then 3 times 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 multiplied by minus 1, that will be minus 3. So 5 minus 3, that will be 2. Okay, so in this case, so which means that I'm going to replace the fractions, okay, with what we have as in for with each of these, okay. So for 1 over 3, so we can now have a to be equals to 1/2 into 1 minus 1 over 3 plus 1/2 into 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5 plus 1/2 multiplied by 1 over 5 minus 1 over 7, okay, then plus 1/2 multiplied by 1 over 7 minus 1 over 9 plus 1/2 multiplied by 1 over 9 minus 1 over 11, then plus 1/2 multiplied by 1 over 11 minus 1 over 13. So what we can see here is that we have a common factor of 1/2. So which means that a will be equals to 1/2 open square bracket. So for this one, okay, we're going to have 1 minus 1 over 3, okay, 1 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, then minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5, okay, then minus 1 over 7 this plus 1 over 7 this, then minus 1 over 9 minus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 this, then minus 1 over 11 plus 1 over 11 this, then plus 1 over 11, then minus 1 over 13 minus 1 over 13. Okay, so that this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, and this will be 0. So we'll be left with, we have a equals to 1/2 open square bracket 1 minus 1 over 13. Okay, so that this will be, so to simplify this will be, we're going to have 1/2 of 13 minus 1 divided by 13, and this will be equals to 1 over 12 open square bracket. This will be 12 over 13. Okay, so 12 divided by 2, that will be 6. So the answer, the value of A will be 6 over 13. So without calculator, okay, the value of 1 over 3 plus 1 over 15 plus 1 over 35 plus 1 over 63 plus 1 over 99 plus 1 over 143 will be 6 over 13. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye bye.